This instructional video will show you how to clean the filter and condenser of your fridge or freezers. The filter and condenser is located at the top of the unit. You can reach this area by carefully employing the use of a stepladder. Once you have access to the top, you can simply remove the filter by lifting it up by its tab on the filter. This will expose the condenser behind it. Use a soft brush to gently clean the filter and condenser. Then use an air blower to clean the dust and debris from the condenser and the overall area that has collected over time. Once the area is thoroughly cleaned, replace the filter to its guide in front of the condenser. This maintenance and cleaning process must be scheduled and performed once per month. Commercial refrigerators are significant investments. Proper and regular maintenance and upkeep will extend their lifespan and minimizes the risk of breakdowns and saves energy. Thank you for watching. Please also watch our other videos for useful information and instructions.